Hello again guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn. This is me sincerely saying thank you to my old and my new subscribers for constantly watching my videos, for the likes, for the comments. It really means a lot to me. And if you watch my videos without subscribing, I also say thank you because I know one day you will hit that subscribe button. So today, I just want to let you guys know that there's so many amazing things that you can do with an apple and some slices of bread. And I'll show you.
Alright family, making this recipe is pretty easy and you all see why. All you will be needing is some slices of bread. I decided to use brown bread because that's what I eat. You can feel free to use any bread of your choice. You will also be needing 1 apple for the filling, some eggs, butter, and cinnamon spice. So yeah, let's get right into it. You will need to cut off the crust. This will make it easier for you to close up the pie. At this point, I'm just trying to cut my apple into smaller pieces. Cover and allow to cook for 3 minutes.
I'll just be adding some cinnamon spice, but you also need to be very careful with cinnamon because its taste can be quite overwhelming. So for 1 large apple, I use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. To top it up with more goodness, you can also add some sugar to further sweeten it, but it's actually optional. Leave for about a minute for the spice to be infused into the apples. I have already flattened these 3 slices. I'll just be showing you what I did. You can also use a rolling pin for this process. Throw in the pie into the hot oil. This is so that the bread doesn't soak up oil. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. So guys, this is what we have. Look at that insanely delicious apple pie made with bread slices. Adding cinnamon to the apples really amps up that flavor and you will love it. Let me know if you will consider trying this recipe, especially for your kids. I'm sure they'll love it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you watched to this point and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Take care fam, and God bless.